Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide notification text on your iPhone. If you receive notifications and you see their text, you can hide it so that it is not visible on the lock screen. How do you do this? Very simple. To do this, unlock our iPhone and go to the settings. Go down below and find the item notifications and open Show Previews. If you press Always, our notifications will always be visible. If you only want them when the phone is unlocked, then we press When Unlocked. If we want to disable them completely, click Never. Now our notifications will be shown, but we will not see their text. The information is now not visible. I advise you to the second item because I think it is convenient. That's the easy way. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.